In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook auto logout problem, Facebook account automatic logout or auto logging out of Facebook. First of all, you know that why happening this problem. If Facebook server is down, then you can see this problem, or you are using older version of Facebook app, then you can also facing this problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Facebook. Now up to date your Facebook app. If available any update version from here, then go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear cache, then manage space, then delete. Now open your Facebook app, then log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook auto logout problem, Facebook account automatic logout problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.